Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sneha Shetty, Clinical Director, Chief Fertility Specialist at Vriksh Fertility, HSR Layout, Bengaluru. Fibroid uterus is very common condition which we normally encounter in patients with infertility or in a general gynec OPD as well. So fibroids are nothing but small growth-like structures which are present inside the wall of the uterus. So depending on the location, depending on the size, and also depending on the symptoms which it is causing to the patient, we usually advise whether we have to give them medication to treat the fibroid or surgery is recommended or not. So having fibroids doesn't mean that you will not be having a successful IVF. Like I said, the size, location and symptoms is also important. If at all it's a very small fibroid which is there outside the uterus, it may not affect your fertility at all. You can go ahead and do your IVF easily. If it is a big fibroid which is there in the wall of the uterus or which is pushing inside your uterus, that means where we place the baby inside the cavity of the uterus, then definitely a surgery is advised to remove such a fibroid. And sometimes if it is a big fibroid which is causing problems, like it is causing heavy bleeding or it's causing painful periods or it is causing infertility wherein you have repeated IVF failures, then in such cases we usually advise to undergo surgery, which is a very simple procedure nowadays. Daycare laparoscopic myomectomy surgeries are usually advised. Fibroids, they do affect embryo implantation depending on the location. If the fibroid is present inside the cavity of the uterus or it is distorting the shape of the cavity, then definitely it does play a very important role in implantation of the embryo as well. And in such cases, we usually do two things. One is if it is just touching the cavity of the uterus or if there is a distance, depending on how close it is towards the cavity of the uterus, we can advise to give you certain medications in order to shrink the fibroid and then plan for embryo implantation. Or sometimes we may advise surgery like laparoscopic myomectomy, give rest for almost 2 to 3 months before planning the embryo transfer. So routinely, if we have been diagnosed to have a fibroid uterus, we usually finish with the egg collection first, and then before embryo transfer, if the fibroid is pushing into the uterus cavity, then we plan to do a surgery and remove the fibroid. But otherwise, if it is a very small fibroid, or if it is a fibroid which is outside the uterus cavity or in the wall of the uterus but it is not distorting the shape of the cavity, and then we do not recommend to do a surgery. So it is completely a very individualized answer to this question. We cannot routinely say that every fibroid needs to undergo surgery before going in for an IVF.